Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a Tesla Model X. It's a first time client. So let's jump in and see how I get this done.
This is just a wipe down. This isn't any like thorough cleaning, and this is what included in our mini details. So it's nothing crazy. So if your seats are really bad, then it'll be extra to clean and condition them. But this is just a wipe down.
Got it. And have you ever cleaned like white seats like these?
Yeah, pretty common. They're actually not too bad to like clean up. The only times they're bad is if they get stains from like jeans or like a pen or something or ink. And for that case, that's what we always recommend ceramic coating these seats, like these type of seats. You can ceramic coat them.
And are these leather seats? Or?
It's like, I think Tesla calls it like vegan leather or something like that.
Vegan leather?
I think that's what they call it. Something like that.
And are you using any special cleaner as an all-purpose cleaner?
No, just a light interior cleaner. Don't use anything aggressive. You're gonna mess them up. So either light interior cleaner if they're pretty bad like these, or your spot-free water.
Yeah, and then just with the microfiber towel, you don't need any other kind of leather.
Since it's our mini detail, we're not gonna go super extra on them. They would have to pay extra for something like that to clean and condition them and exfoliate them even further. But for this, it's just wipe down.
How'd you get this customer?
I believe off of either Google or Instagram. I'm not too sure because they just texted my number.
Scheduled or late?
Or actually, it might have been, I was working down here at another place and my van was parked outside on the street, and I think they might have seen my van and like got down my information.
Did they schedule it with time, or was it like a late schedule?
No, with time. I believe like a week ahead.
Have you ever detailed a Model X?
No, this is my first one. Well, actually, this is my first one on my own, but I've detailed a Model X with like another detailer. That was his client.
So what was your game plan going into this detail?
Same as any other mini detail, especially with the Teslas. Knock out the outside first, knock out the wheels, then do the detailed foam wash, and then do the drying process with the drying aid. Then move on to the inside, vacuum, wipe down everything, wipe down the interior, all the seats, door panels. And now that we just got done doing the inside pretty much for the most part, we just have to do the door jambs, make sure that there's no streaks on the outside, do the windows inside and out, wipe down the wheels, put the tire dressing on, and then just look over everything, make sure there's no streaks or any dirtiness or marks. Not really. Everything everything's pretty like accessible. And the back opens up all the way up, and then you can move slide the seat all the way forward. It's pretty spacious. The only thing that's pretty difficult about these is cleaning the inside windows from the rears, because the doors go all the way up. So me, I'm short, so I gotta either get on the ladder or step inside, close it, clean it from the inside, then open it, and then wipe everything down like with my feet and stuff where I stepped. I'll most likely just pop it up though and get on the ladder and then just clean it up from there. Plus the sun's up top, so it makes it easier to see as well, like streaks or anything like that. And then it's a lot of glass, just like every other Tesla. The whole top is glass and stuff. But there's not many difficulties with these type of vehicles.
White seats, was it harder to clean them because they were white, or?
Not really. I don't think the color really makes a difference. It just makes it more noticeable when it's dirty or clean. But like, they're not really any more difficult to clean than like the black ones.
And then do you prefer like cleaning white ones or darker colored ones?
That doesn't matter. But actually, when they're really dirty, the light ones kind of give you like the biggest like visual difference. Like it's easier to see, and it looks like more of a wow effect. So I guess the white ones are like, I guess, nicer in pictures and stuff. But I don't really have a preference of which ones to clean. They're the same thing basically.
So how do you make first-time clients book you again?
Just do an excellent job, show up on time, go a little bit above and beyond, make sure everything's perfect, and that's about it. And if they like your work, they'll usually call you again.
And what are some red flags that first-time clients
give off?
Hit you up, yeah.
Usually, when they want the service done same day or next day, it's like it seems like they don't understand. They're like, we're pretty busy, so like I recommend booking at least like a week ahead. And the people are like persistent. They're like, no, I want it today. I'm like, dude, I can't fit you in. Like, you're gonna have to wait like everyone else. Book your appointment ahead of time. And so those are one of the red flags, because I don't really like dealing too much with those type of clients that are like, they get mad when you don't fit them in the same day. I'm like, dude, first of all, we've never serviced you. We don't even know you. We don't know where you live. We don't know how far out you are. We don't know what your vehicle looks like, condition, any of that. So it's like, some of them just don't understand.
So would that be one of the questions that new clients always ask, like when they ask about your service, if you can do it the same day? Or?
Not all of them. They usually just ask for availability, and then I'll let them know. Like depending on your city and what vehicle and the type of package you're trying to get in, then we'll let you know what days and times we have available, and then from there we'll go and set up an appointment. But like these type of people that I'm talking about with the red flags is like the first thing they say is, hey, I need you to do my car today. And I'm like, first of all, I don't even know what car you have. I don't even know what package you want or need, and I don't know the condition of your vehicle. So like there's like a lot of things that I need to find out before we can service you. And then we don't do same day appointments either, so it's most likely like the soonest is usually 3 days, and that's like if you're lucky. Like sometimes we got to book out a week ahead or two depending on the package and whatnot.
Would you pitch your maintenance program, or?
No, I would not. I would have to pitch him a level 1 first, because his paint is in rough condition. And then for my maintenance program or plan, you have to have at least a level 1 before you can get like accepted into it. This vehicle doesn't really have any protection other than the spray wax that we just applied on it for this detail, but that's only going to last a couple weeks. And also it needs a clay treatment for sure, because the paint's feeling rough and it's a little light dull. So if he's first of all, I'd have to find out how long he's going to keep the vehicle. I'm not just going to try to upsell him on something if he's going to plan on selling the vehicle in a couple weeks or something. So I always like to ask, how long do you guys plan on keeping your vehicle? And then we'll go from there, either recommend a level 1, level 2, level 3, or a new vehicle protection package depending on their budget. And then from there we can offer them the pitch in the maintenance program.
So Tony, what precautions do you take cleaning the inside to make sure it's not water damaged?
The interior?
Yeah.
I think what you mean by that question, in case some of our viewers don't know, is maybe like chemical damage. even though you could actually cause some water damage like to screens and stuff like that, but like chemical damage to like the interior, like the leather stuff and the other stuff, plastics, avoid like heavy duty interior cleaners, especially on newish vehicles like this. You don't need to go as like super aggressive, and you don't need to agitate aggressively in any of that. So yeah, just avoid heavy duty interior cleaners. Use a light, mild interior cleaner, and you shouldn't have any issues. And also don't oversaturate the areas. Make sure it's not hot. Make sure try not to work in direct sunlight. Like if you're mobile and you have to, don't let the product sit there for too long, because then that causes problems as well. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. That's how we did our mini detail on our first time client on this Tesla Model X. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments down below. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.